Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix your Windows license will expire soon Windows 11, 10. First step is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr space, -rear-m. Exit and restart system. Third step is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows License Manager service, change startup type to disabled, click Stop, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.